Okay, so Tiki Fire. Those are the progressives. Let's see how we go. Okay, that's nice. Oh, nice, and a re-trigger. I'd like a hold and spin, please. And another re-trigger. It's in a good mood. Must like being up early. Okay, come on, give me something good. I want to hold and spin. Pity I didn't get a parrot where the queen is. That would have been awesome. Come on, hold and spin. Please. Okay, that's good. Happy with that. Okay, and this is at the Wynn in Vegas. Okay, so I got it on Tiki Fire again. This time on $1 bet. So let's see how we go. Come. The major's at 1,000. I'm at the Wynn still, but I'll check out today. Oh, come on. Yeah, keep going, baby. Come on. Don't stop. Oh, well. That's some good values. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, so I just got the feature on Magic Pearl. Let's see how we go. Come on, green. New green, come on. I'm only playing 1 cent Denom. Come on, green, please. Green or blue? Please. Oh well. Right, not good, but not that bad either.